Hi, welcome to Curiobytes. With me are Joylan, Sarvanshu and Saira, my students of 12th Standard Electronic Technology course, and we are back here to perform a very simple experiment with this piece of paper. Most of you watching this video are familiar with this. You have to put two fingers in this and pull the fingers apart. So each one of you is going to perform this. I'm going to give you the paper, right? And you have to put two fingers in these two holes and pull the fingers apart. What do you think, Joylan, will happen?
One of the holes will break.
One of the holes will break, not both simultaneously,
Random. It is random.
but not both simultaneously. You have tried anytime trying to do both
Yes.
simultaneously? Okay. All of us know this. Most of the viewers who have watched this know this trick. The question is not which hole. He has already said one hole will break and randomly.
Yes.
You can't predict which one, this or this. Correct? First perform. Take. Yeah. Three of you ready?
Yes.
Do. Hold, see which one is stone. Yours right side is stone, right side, all three somehow right has stone. Your is left. Very good. Joylan's left side is stone and these two right side is stone. Even if you attempt 100 times, you will not be able to break this simultaneously. Break both the sides or cut both the sides simultaneously. So this question is for viewers also and for you also. Why only one side tears? Why not both simultaneously? So explain what's happening. Thank you.